Wanna know the brutal truth about making money online? Everyone is chasing shiny objects, while the real gold is sitting right in front of them. Let me show you how I built a $1,000 per day business without leaving my bedroom. Let's cut through the noise and talk about high-ticket consulting, the business model that changed everything for me. So what is it exactly? High-ticket consulting means offering specialized expertise or services that solve painful problems for people who are willing to pay premium prices for real results. In 2022, I started working exclusively with entrepreneurs who wanted to increase their revenue. The results were insane. Because my offer was in high demand, I started to earn thousands per client. Then, I expanded to coaching others on how to build profitable consulting businesses just like mine. So why did I choose this path instead of dropshipping or other trendy business models? Because I wasted years of my life and thousands of dollars chasing the wrong opportunities. Listen, what's popular is usually wrong. Here is what most people miss. Just because you want financial freedom doesn't automatically put you in the top 1%. 99% of people are perfectly fine paying obscene amounts for college degrees that don't guarantee jobs, then working for someone else until retirement. But even among that 1% with ambition to start a business, 99% of them focus on the wrong things. They fall for flashy, seemingly easy business models like dropshipping. The reality is that profits are tiny, costs are massive, and problems are endless. Shipping delays, constant returns, fraudulent refunds, it's a nightmare. High-ticket consulting is different. The overhead is minimal. The profit margins are massive, and you're actually making a real difference in people's lives. So how do we make serious cash with this model? First, we need an offer that hits. You create your offer around three things: what you know, what you're good at, and what the market desperately needs. The sweet spot is where these three things overlap. For example, let's say you're good at digital marketing. You know how to drive traffic to websites. While plenty of businesses struggle to get customers. Boom, just like that, you've got a high-value service other people will pay top dollar for. Or if you're in good shape, you could help other people to lose weight without restrictive diets or boring workouts. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you step by step how I made over 1K a day. I'm giving away all the secrets. You can also book a call with me or my team and we'll show you how to reach $5,000 per month in 90 days. But be quick, because your limited spots fill up extremely quickly. We literally get hundreds of applications a month and we can't accept everyone. The link will be in the description below. Now, I hear what you might be thinking, but I don't have any special skills or problem to offer. Well, that's not a problem. You have two options. Option 1, you go learn a skill or you acquire knowledge that's in high demand, then you pass it on to others. With the internet, you can become proficient enough in almost any skill within 3 to 6 months. That's a tiny investment for a lifetime of income potential. Now, your second option is to work with remote contractors to provide done-for-you services to businesses. You become the middleman, connecting skilled workers with businesses who need help and taking a cut by orchestrating everything. This is what CEOs do. Now, personally, I prefer coaching offers. Done-for-you services are profitable, but can get boring. Both work incredibly well though. I've got people in my program crushing it with both approaches. Once you have your offer dialed in, the next critical piece is finding clients. For this, we create targeted social media content. It's essentially free advertising when done right. The key is to position yourself as an authority by sharing valuable insights, breaking down complex ideas, and showing potential clients you understand their problems better than they do themselves. When someone watches your content and thinks, wow, this person gets my struggle exactly, they're halfway to becoming your client. Then we master the art of sales. High-ticket consulting isn't about pushy tactics or manipulation. It's about transformation. We use sales calls where we focus on the outcome, the better future our customers will experience after working with us. Think about it. Ferrari doesn't just sell you a car. They sell you status, excitement, and membership in an exclusive club. Luxury perfume brands don't sell scented water. They sell confidence, attraction, and identity. And similarly, we don't just sell our knowledge or service. We sell the transformation. If you help businesses increase their revenue, you're not selling marketing tactics. You're selling freedom, security, and growth. If you're selling fitness coaching, You're not selling a custom meal plan. You're selling regained confidence, feeling good and looking good. That's what people really want. When it comes to delivery, I recommend starting with one-on-one coaching. This gives you direct feedback, helps you to refine your approach and build your confidence. As you get more clients and systemize your process, you can move to group coaching, which scales your time. Eventually, you can create digital products like courses or membership sites that generate income while you sleep. If you're doing done-for-you services, you can either do the work yourself initially or immediately partner with skilled contractors who handle the technical aspect while you focus on client relationships. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity. You don't need fancy websites, complicated funnels, or expensive software to get started. You just need to solve real problems for people willing to pay for solutions. Let me be straight with you. This isn't a magical get-rich-quick scheme. It requires work, persistence, and the willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But compared to the alternatives, it's a no-brainer. Most online business models demand huge upfront investments, technical skills, and months before seeing your first dollar. With high-ticket consulting, you can land your first client within weeks and immediately start earning thousands. The math is simple. If your offer is priced at $3,000, for example, you only need 4 clients per month to break the $12,000 mark. That's $1,000 per day if you're working a standard business week. And as you get better at acquisition and delivery, those numbers only go up. What I love most about this approach is the freedom it creates. Since you're earning more per client, you need fewer clients to hit your income goals, and fewer clients means less complexity and more time for yourself. I'll never forget the day I showed my mother my earnings. Her jaw dropped when she saw I'd made in a single day what amounted to half her monthly salary. I remember just the look of pride in her eyes was everything to me. All those late nights, all that doubt, it was all worth it in that moment. She'd always believed in me, always supported my entrepreneurial dreams, even when others thought I was crazy. And seeing her realize that her faith in me had paid off, that is a feeling no amount of money in the world will ever buy. Now I make my own schedule, design my own future, and choose exactly who I want to work with. No boss, no approval needed, just pure entrepreneurial freedom. That's the real wealth, not just the money, but the control over your time and life. The biggest mistake I see people making is overthinking and overcomplicating this process. They get stuck in endless preparation, building the perfect website, overthinking content creation, developing comprehensive programs, all of that before ever talking to a potential client. Here's the truth. The only thing you need to start is the ability to help someone solve a problem. Everything else can be figured out along the way. So many people are drowning in problems they would happily pay to solve. They don't care about your fancy website or your perfect systems. They just want results. Be the person who delivers those results, and you'll never struggle for income ever again. I've taught this exact model to hordes of people from all backgrounds. Former teachers, corporate employees, stay-at-home parents, even college students. The ones who succeed aren't necessarily the smartest or most experienced. They're the ones who take consistent action without making excuses. If you're tired of struggling financially, if you're sick of trading time for money in a job you hate, or if you just want to build something that gives you true freedom, high-ticket consulting could be your answer. It changed everything for me. 5 years ago, I was broke, stressed, and stuck in a cycle of chasing the wrong opportunities. Today, I make more in a day than most people make in 2 weeks, working fewer hours and making a real impact. Success isn't about waiting for the perfect conditions. It's about making strategic choices and relentlessly pursuing your goals. While others wait for the perfect moment, true entrepreneurs like you and me create our own opportunities. The opportunity is right in front of you. The question is, are you going to take it, or are you going to keep scrolling, looking for an even easier solution that doesn't exist? One thing I really want you to understand is that your potential isn't determined by your circumstances, but by your commitment to continuous improvement and strategic action. The choice is yours, but remember, a year from now, you'll wish you had started today. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you step by step how I made over 1K a day. I'm giving away all the secrets. You can also book a call with me or my team, and we'll show you how to reach $5,000 per month in 90 days. But be quick, because your limited spots fill up extremely quickly. We literally get hundreds of applications a month, and we can't accept everyone. The link will be in the description below. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.